In this short tutorial, you will learn how to convert an image to a PDF on your Android phone. The best part is that you don't need to download any extra apps. Your phone already has the tools you need. This makes it quick and easy to create a PDF from your images. To get started, locate and open the Gallery app on your Android device. This is where all your images are stored. Scroll through your albums or recent photos until you find the image that you want to convert into a PDF. Once you've found the desired image, tap on it to view it in full screen mode. This will give you a clearer view of what you'll be converting. Now, look for three little dots, located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to access more options. From the menu, select Print. This might seem unusual for converting images, but trust me, it's part of the process. In the Print settings, tap here. And make sure Save as PDF is selected. Then tap on the downward arrow. Here you can change settings such as page size and orientation, according to your needs. Once you've tweaked those settings, proceed by tapping on this button. Then choose where you'd like to save your newly created PDF file. Finally, tap Save. And just like that, your image has been converted into a PDF. To find your new PDF file, exit out of the Gallery app and open up My Files. Navigate to where you decided to save that PDF file. And there you have it. You've successfully converted an image into a PDF using just your Android phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.